If you ever wanted full control over the GoHighLevel sidebar without touching a single line of code, you will need this free tool. I'm going to show you exactly how to rearrange your menu order, hide unwanted features, and add custom links in just a few seconds. So let's get started. So you can get the link to this free generator down below in the description. It's completely free, and right now I will show you how to use it. So the main idea is to rearrange the navigation in GoHighLevel. So for example, if you have a SaaS and you want to rearrange on which place which item is displayed, or you want to add dividers and make it like easier to use, this is the tool for you. So here you can see I have added like all the basic tools and like menu items you will find in GoHighLevel. So you have the possibility to rearrange, so you can add like a number in here to like rearrange the item, or you can just click here to move it down or up again. You have the opportunity to like hide the item completely, so if you click that it will not be visible in the GoHighLevel dashboard. And you also can add new ones and add separator lines. So if you have, for example, custom objects that will be displayed in the menu bar, you can add them here to also rearrange them and like add them to the menu at like a custom place. Or if you want to add new separator lines, you also can do that. So we have the basic one in here from GoHighLevel itself, but let's say you want to like have more sections, you can add a new one right here. So right now I quickly want to show you how it looks if you use it. So let's say we hide the launch pad, we move the conversations at place number 1. So we have conversations, we have the dashboard, let's hide calendars, then we have contacts. Let's say we move marketing at place 2, so it's here, and then let's add a new separator at place number 3, and then we have contacts, opportunities. Let's say we want to move payments up here, AI agents, let's hide them, memberships, media storage, reputation, let's leave it in. Reputation, let's move this one to, let's say, number 11. And then just for fun, let's add a new separator above reputation. So we have reputation as its own point. Then we click on generate CSS, and that's it. So now I'll show you in GoHighLevel like where you can add this code. Where to add this code, you have to go to your agency view, then click on settings, and then come to company and then white label. Here you just place the code we just created, click on save changes, and it's really important that you refresh the page because otherwise the code will not display. And so let's quickly have a look. So conversation number 1, marketing and then separator. So let's open the navigation, and here you can see conversations, marketing, then we have payments, contacts, opportunities. And we have also new dividers added that we added before. And you also can see like we have tickets, and tickets is a custom object. So I created a new custom objects for like a ticketing system, and all elements that are not targeted by the rearrange CSS will be moved to the bottom. So everything that you not target gets pushed to the bottom, so it's not like floating around somewhere. And now I quickly want to show you how you also can target like custom links. Let's say you have like your own dashboard that you want to create and like not using the default one, or you are using custom objects and you also want to rearrange them in the display. I quickly want to show you how to target them. So when targeting those custom objects, or for example the custom links that you added to your dashboard, you simply have to come to inspect elements and then hover over the element, and you up there you can see the ID of the object. So let's click on that, and then we have to find the ID in here. So somewhere here's the SB, you can see it's like ID. We quickly copy that. Let's close out of here, come back in the editor, and let's add this here. So I call this tickets, add it to the mix, and then just to display that it's like really working, we move this one to the top at place number 1, and then we regenerate the CSS and replace it in the agency dashboard. So and I really quickly refreshed the page and updated the code, and as you can see the tickets moved up here, so they are displayed at number 1 as we change the code. So if you want to use this free generator for yourself, you can simply go to the video description down below, and there I sent you the link completely for free. And if you now want to see how GoHighLevel Rentals works and how it looks, make sure to check out this video. I got beta access to GoHighLevel Rentals and show you how it looks and how it works.